Alrighty guys, we're here at the Lakeview Hotel here in Mackinac Island, Michigan. And we have an Otis elevator here to ride. Alrighty, let's go to 4. Going down?
Going down.
Going down?
Coming out?
Yeah.
We're riding. Okay.
Okay, great.
Sounds good. How are you doing?
Fine,
How
how
are
are
you
you?
guys? Better than we deserve.
Enjoying your time here?
Yeah.
Good.
I have a conference at the Grand Hotel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is it really nice there?
It's too fancy for us, to
See?
be honest with you.
We're the same way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Boiler up. Absolutely. Yeah, so we're kind of bailing on
The things they were offering for.
yeah, so there's like,
Well, I know, like after a certain time of night, you gotta
oh
wear a coat
yeah,
and tie.
wear coat and tie.
We were
like-
not gonna do that. I'm like, no, you're not.
I did it last night with like, I had some customers there, but I'm just like, I'm not doing this again tonight.
Yep.
So we're.
Good for you. Have some fun on the main road.
Exactly.
Look at that phone box.
You want to ride one more time?
Yeah.
All right, you guys have a good
Yeah.
night.
Sure.
You help me fix the phone?
Oh, yeah.
It's so hilarious how they did that. There we go. What a weird elevator cab. Same thing as the one hotel that it's just like one strip of light. Alrighty, we're gonna end the video at 1. It's an Otis. Series 1 buttons. There's the floor indicator. Capacity steep plate name. Come on in.
All right.
How you doing?
Doing good, G.
Better than we deserve.
I hear you, brother.
Follow you out here.
Yeah, alright.
Thank you, guys.
All right, have a good night.
Let's get off here. Yeah, this is a pretty nice hotel. This is like the oldest hotel on the island. And I guess that is going to be it for me.